Hey everyone, this is Chad Chilius here with CreativePro, and in this video I wanted to show you how to export pages of your PDF as images. I know sometimes we want to use pages of our file for social media purposes, or you want to post them on the web, or do a variety of different things with them. So in order to do this in Adobe Acrobat, I'm going to come up here to my menu that says All Tools. And this is going to display a list on your left-hand side of all the tools we have available inside of Adobe Acrobat. You can even click on the View More link to show all of the tools that are available. And the one that I'm going to choose here is the Export a PDF button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to switch over to this panel that says Convert. Now within this panel, I can convert pages of my PDF to a number of different formats, including Adobe Express, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. But down here, I also have the ability to export to the image format. And that's what I'm trying to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that radio button to export my document in the image format. Now, if you want the entire pages, you're going to want to leave this checkbox unchecked, because the purpose of this checkbox is to export all of the individual images from your PDF file. In my case, I want to export all of the pages. So I'm going to leave this option unchecked, and then I can click on this little gear icon to control the image format that I'm going to go ahead and export. So for the various different color formats that I have here, including grayscale and color, I can choose the JPEG quality that I want to output to. So if I want really high quality, I'll go ahead and change this to JPEG maximum, and I'll go ahead and choose that for both of the options here. And then you can choose the JPEG format. You can choose standard, optimized, or progressive. I'm going to leave mine set to standard. And then you can also choose whether you want to, for RGB, CMYK, and grayscale images, whether you want to embed the profile or not when you're exporting those different image formats. And then way down here at the bottom, you can choose the color space and resolution. So for resolution, I'll go ahead and click on that drop down, and I can increase that to up to 2400 pixels per inch. That's a pretty high resolution. I think for my purposes, 300 pixels per inch is going to do the job. And then you can also adjust your color space. We can output them all as RGB, CMYK, or grayscale. So I'll go ahead and change mine to RGB, and then I'll go ahead and click OK. Now, once you've configured how you want your pages to output, you can click on this Convert to JPEG button. I'm going to tell my files where I want them to go. I created a folder here called Surfing. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that folder, and I'm going to click the Save button. And you'll see down here in the lower right corner, you're going to see a progress happening. And this is basically Acrobat exporting all of the pages of your document to the JPEG format that you chose. Now, if I switch over to my Finder window here, you can see that within the Surfing folder that I told it to put all of my images, you'll see that I have all of the pages that I wanted to export. So here are all of the spreads. These are the various pages that I exported, and they're all in the JPEG format at 300 pixels per inch resolution. So that's how you can export the pages of your PDF file to an image format.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.